Saturday, and I skipped yesterday. Technically, I didn't. I did begin my vlog, and I'll post that clip right now. Happy Friday, everybody. So look at all these different families of ducks. So we have this family here, and then the, 4 babies behind them, and of course they look like more like teenagers because they're almost half their size. And unfortunately my camera is not getting any closer, but if you look at this family, you see all the yellow behind her butt. So they're like probably like hand size. Oh my gosh. And actually there's 3 families. There's those 2 and then this one here. So there's 1, 2, and then 1 back there. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. So as you can tell, I pretty much didn't make it past the exact same clip I'm doing right now, which is basically like a hello guys. And I didn't really do a lot because, or I didn't vlog because I kept forgetting and I wasn't feeling too well, not like horrible, but it was fairly bad. Like the heat is really getting to me, which makes me irritable and tired and lethargic. And basically, I just want to sleep or I want to start screaming at people. So I didn't want to pick up the camera. And then I realized it was like 11 p.m. and I grabbed the camera. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to kind of start the vlog now. But by that time, I was already getting a headache because I was doing a lot of stuff for this new event I'm going to in September in Washington, D.C. And that's pretty much it. So I spent my time hiding from the 95-degree weather, which was the hottest we've had. They said yesterday it was the hottest this year, which I don't think that's actually correct because I made a vlog and recorded it and said it was like 98. So I don't know what they're talking about, but whatever. And I basically just stayed home, and then, you know, I was having a little bit of episodes here and there. So today is Saturday, and have tons of these all over me. The other ones are getting cold right now because I left them on my bed while I was sleeping last night because I was hot last night. Like at night, my dad turns off the air conditioning to save energy, and then I become irritable, so I didn't really sleep well at all. And I'm having a lot of drip in my throat, and so I kind of feel like I have a cold, but I don't. It's just really bad allergies, I guess. Anyway, I'm just doing some stuff around the house, and we'll see what today brings. Probably going to be really boring, so I'm hoping that maybe I can get out of the house so that I will actually vlog, and yeah. Anyway, we'll see. So look at the rainbow that the water's creating. I kind of put this up there, and it's up there a little ghetto, but I can't do anything outdoors in the heat, and this water is perfect. So I'm just planting. I'm not feeling good. I've been out here for like 10 minutes, and I'm like dying out here. It sucks. How damn cute my cat is. Hi, kitty. So I'm not happy because my dad has convinced me to go with him to like the most famous park, which means sitting in 90-degree weather, walking in 90-degree weather. All right, so we are here at this really infamous as my dog pees. Come on, stop. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon technically. So I was trying to tell you that after spending a little bit outside, my dad was like, well, let's go to Minnehaha Falls. It's like the most famous park here in Minneapolis. And basically Minnehaha Falls is a large park that has waterfalls, or the waterfall. Anyway, I was like, he's like, let's go walk, do this, that. He likes doing things outdoors. I'm not a big fan of it. My hair's a disaster. But I said, no. And he's like, come on, let's go. And I'm like, Dad, he's like, you know, we'll walk and this and that. I go, you realize that I cannot walk. I cannot stand long periods of time. And then I was like, and not only that, it is seriously, it is 90-degree weather. And so not only am I walking and standing, but I'm doing it in the heat. I felt so bad because it just kept going on and on and on. You can sit down, we can go in the water, we can this, we can do that. And I'm like, I just felt stupid. And so anyway, I'm here. My dad's parking the car, so I didn't have to walk. And we have the 2 dogs with us. And we'll see how today goes. I don't know, but there's a wedding. I've seen 2 quinceañeras and another something, I think a wedding. Now there's a bride who's taking her photos right here. So I don't know if you can see her, but oh, so pretty. So anyway, my dad is walking over. I can see him right now. Oh, look at the beautiful bride. Freckles. Can you guys hear the waterfall? I kind of hope I can go in it. Come on. Let's go, Freckles. I'm so glad there's shade right here. Woo. Let's go. Keep going. More stairs. I'm not going to be able to go up these stairs. My dog don't like the water. Oh, I'm a bad mom. I just pushed him in. Poor Gizmo. Freckles, go save him. Save him, Freckles. He's like trying to learn how to swim. Don't be scared, you can swim. All dogs do. Oh my God, the poor dog does not want to be in there. She won't jump. All right, so we went a little bit of ways. It was fun in the sense that it was beautiful to see the nature and stuff, things like that. Oh, I think Freckles needs to go poopies. Yep, she definitely does. I'll be back. So like I was saying, it's beautiful out. The trails are very eclectic, just very cool, but it's hard for me, but it's not as hard as I thought because there's just a lot of shade, so you don't really feel the heat as much. And because I am technically wet because I went into the water, so whoop, come on Freckles. So it's not horrible. My heart rate's about 130 steady. It drops down to like 80 every now and then, but it's about 130 steady. So I thought it would be worse, and we're headed back. So hopefully I can make it to the car and figure out what we're gonna do next. But it's beautiful out. I'm actually happy that it came, and just to be able to get out and be in the world, you know. Let's see if we can find my dad. There he is. I see red right there. You guys see him? There he is. Hanging out with Gizmo, taking their sweet time. Freckles, slow. Good girl. Look at the Freckles. Freckles, stop eating the grass. And we have to make it up. I don't know how many. I think there was like 5 levels worth of stairs. And my dad says, just take one step at a time. Well, like, yeah, that's a given. Like, I just want to go into the car, and that's it. Ice cream, ice cream. Read all about it.
Hi there.
Hi.
What can I get for you guys today?
Peanut colada. You mix them too?
We can do it inside the truck, or you can mix your own flavor. It's
Oh,
up to you.
interesting. Huh.
That's the medium ice, pina colada and banana.
And then you get to create your own pina colada. Oh, pina colada and mango. That might be good. What is that?
Are these together or separate?
Yep, not together.
And then a pina colada mango.
Same size?
Yes.
Should change. Thank you. Yeah. Any cream on top for you?
Yes.
Right. Oh, thanks for trying it, you guys.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
There's a bridge there.
Yeah, I know where to put it. All right, so we just made it home, and by the way, that drink, that frozen like icy, was phenomenal. I mean, I actually would drive 40 minutes just to go get that again. And then they drizzle. I couldn't focus. My camera, I'm using the good camera this time, is not focusing correctly, like at all. I even tried to focus on like my Fitbit. It's not focusing, so I gotta figure what's going on with that. Anyway, just got home. The dogs smell. They were in, you know, the lakey water, and then after that, they basically rolled in like pure mud. So they're filthy and they stink. So I'm going to give them a bath outside, and then maybe go have a drink. I don't know, just hang out. So, oh man, I hate cleaning them after going through what I just went through, and I'm just tired. My feet or bleeding. One's bleeding and both of them have like big, bloody, like pussy, because like things on them because I was wearing socks. And then when I went in the water, I realized that I don't want my feet on the rocks and the slime, so I put my shoes on and then wore them in the water. And I knew that I would regret it because I know what the feeling is after you wear like wet shoes. And they were rubbing, and now I have these nasty things on my feet. I have this on both of my pinkies. Ew. I'm wearing my little kitty shirt. I just took my shower and I swear this is my third clothing change. It is time to put down the camera and relax and just hang out. I think I'm going to make some fresh homemade pizza, as you all know I love. And this time, instead of getting the big, like large size pizza or whatever dough, I got like the solo size, which are like, I don't know how big, like 10 inches or something. Like they're literally like this small. And it comes with a pack of 3, so I might end up just cooking them all. I don't know, we'll see. And I'm going to start a movie with my dad and drink this Bloody Mary at home and just stay home. Today was a good day. It was rough, but it was a good day. It was a good day. And I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys have an amazing Saturday and even a better and amazing Sunday. Bye.